A good place to start is our Quick Start page. Here, you will find the steps to follow to set up CabEstimator for your shop. You will see a list of the main things to do. Configure your shop settings, add materials to your database, add clients, create an estimate, Step 5 talks about the snapshot price locking and the sync pricing features. Change the status and schedule the job. Once you complete steps 1 through 3, you will be ready to start your first estimate. Thanks for using CabEstimator. That's it for this one. Take care.